Music and art will be found in the YCC every day in many, many ways. From using clay to strengthen their hands, to scribbling on paper, to learning how to make big movements on the chalkboard, to painting, to watercoloring, and refining that hand motion. All of those activities are huge creative expressions. We also spend a lot of time singing in our classroom as a group, as individuals, just to get through our day, rolling a rug, singing a song to get the rug rolling is always helpful. The children learn through music easier than through just reading a book because they are in tune with the melody and it becomes part of them. So lots of songs happen in our classroom. There are musical instruments to play. We have music boxes. Music and art are wonderful creative expressions that we use in the YCC.